Hello everybody, for this video I'm gonna be playing a game called I Am Cat. And yeah, let's get in it. Okay, wait. Oh, I use my mouse? Oh, I got it. I got it. I don't know why I was so happy. Yeah. I'm such a professional. Okay. Okay, seems very easy. I think I know which one it goes in. Okay, I know where this goes in. Wait, I got it. I actually got it. This go in here. Okay. Yo. Where'd my other hand go? Please give me back my other hand. Yo. Get this disgusting fish out of me. Be a good fishy. Bro breathes water. Fall asleep. Yo, it won't let me. Okay. Oh. Yo, what do I look like this? Yo, I look fire. There's multiplayer wardrobe. I'll try single player. Oh. A Fluffy Joe, gang leader. Hey newbie, are you new to the neighborhood? If you want, curious. No, show me that again. Turn on the dance channel. Yo! Holy snap! Is she okay? Are you on drugs? She's on drugs. No! Get off! Get off! Get off! What the? What? Abuse? What just happened? Did I just get hit for no reason? With a pan? Where'd she pull it out of from? She's crazy, bro. No, I'm gonna get my payback. Okay. Turn on the... Yeah, I don't know what that. Okay. Hit the mouse in 45. Get the second floor. Okay. I'm guessing. Yo! My hand keeps on disappearing. Yo, this is... You're not getting me up here, Granny. Hold on. Drop 10 books. Okay. Easy enough, then said done. I think I can climb up here. No, he won't let me climb. Okay. No. Okay. Watch this. Go. I guess we have to do it downstairs then, maybe. She got a fish! Okay. I got this. This is gonna be easy. And she doesn't even know. How much? Got it, 1, 360. Hit 10 moles. Who's moles? Give me. Oh! No. Are these moles? Hey! Be quiet. Yo. Secret room. You need to get to the secret room. Remember my revenge, Granny? If I think this is true, then I could grab something and mentally hurt her. Yo, Granny, what is this, Granny? Okay. I can't eat it. I got it in my mouth. Get it out. I hate those. My revenge plan is coming out perfectly. No! Yo, I didn't hear you. Make sure she's not looking. Watch this. No!
I miss you. Who's something?
Go. My revenge plan.
See you for one missing.
Haha. Yo, what? Haha. I want to put poop in her face. No.
Yes, it's an asking.
No. Chill, Granny. No. I'm a good kitty.
Finish here.
No. Get off. No, no. Yo. Get off. Get away. Come get me. Come get me.
You're getting far from me.
Yeah, whatever you said, bro. No, get away. Old granny. No. I got stuck. No, no, no. Did I just leak something? No, no. No, I didn't. I did not. Oh, you love this, don't you, Granny? Let me pour some in. I poured some in just for you. Here you go. Oops, I missed. You're not getting me.
You're getting far from me.
How does she see in these? You know what? Triple John Cena. Come on. Oh, I can get her. Come on. Granny, don't be bad. She knows it. No. No. Get away. No.
You're getting far from me.
No. Come back here, Granny. No. Come, Granny. Don't be a bad Granny. I want you to gobble all of this up. Ew. That should be enough for you. Yo! I glitched. No! Please! No! POV me. I'm not letting that slide. I heard there is a secret in this game. Wake up, Eddie. I heard there was a secret. I heard there was like something to shave your head in this game. You know what? Granny, I'll give you a clean haircut. Yes. But where's the secret thing? I have to look for that secret thing first. The secret room. Okay. I found it. No. Yes. It actually works. Granny, I'm gonna give you the best haircut you ever had in your... No! No. 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 Yo, I lost it. No, no. Granny, I promised I would give you the best haircut of all time. No! Let me... Oh my... This game is so laggy. Yup, that's it. No. Give me it right now. Okay. Granny, you ready? I'm gonna give you a buzz cut. Okay. This is perfect. Granny, don't you worry, dog. Oh, you... I'll give you on the side. Yep. Come on. Oh. Granny, do not look at it. Come on. Right here? Oh no. Okay, let's do right here. Since I'm almost professional. Yo, Granny, I can fix you, I promise. But this is gonna have to go. I promise I can fix you. You're gonna look so clean. Everybody's gonna want this haircut. And then you're gonna be making money, Granny. You're gonna be a multi-millionaire because of me. Come on. Oh! Oh no. Oh no, Granny! Please do not send me to your dungeon, but everybody's gonna like this. Okay. Okay. I can do better. Bro! Granny, can you stop moving? Bro, Granny, I can't do this if you're not gonna stop moving. Granny, stop moving. This is why your haircut's getting messed up. Okay. It's okay, Granny. Everybody's gonna be jealous of your haircut. Oh, that side was good. I just have to cut off a little. Granny, I can fix you. Yo, how can you invite me? I promise I can fix you. Granny, stop moving. Oh my. Come on, come on. Yo, my friend has to wait to play because I'm trying to give my boy the best haircut possible. Yo, Granny, I'm sorry. We're gonna have to shave you fully. Yo, Grant, I didn't want to have to do this. But you wouldn't keep on moving. You wouldn't stop moving. I'm sorry. We're gonna have to give you a buzz cut. Oh my. John, they paid me. You're paying me, right? This is just an experiment, okay? Oh! Okay, let's watch TV. I'm bored. Come on. No. Yo! I'm sorry. No. Please.
You get one job for me.
Yeah. Whatever you say, bruh. Nope. I got you. Got you? Come back here, bruh. No. Yo, Gran, I'm sorry, I need this. Yeah, come back here. How long was it? Is Granny mad? Nah, watch this trick shot. Watch this. Don't want to bounce off that. So watch. No? You know what? I don't like sleeping. She gonna wake up? She's not gonna wake up. Don't make me do it. Don't make me do it. I will do it. I will do it. Back off. I told you that had your grandma's ashes. No. Choo. I'm too fast, boy. I'm too fast. No. Give me that poop. Chill. In the fridge.
You're getting far from me.
Watch this. Trick shot. I guess that's it for the video. Grandma wants to say thanks for the video. And she's saying bye. Bye, Grandma. Bye, everybody. Thanks for the video. See ya later. Thanks, guys. Can you like and subscribe, please? I need it. Please, and thank you for the video. Bye.